Time Cat again. This week I think I'll talk about the inclement weather we're getting in London. Inclement, maybe I'm being unfair. It's cold, there's bands of snow coming in, and that's unusual for the capital of the UK in December, mid-December. It's just, if we do get snow, it tends to be in January, February, March, but less often in December. The last significant cold winter, 2017-2018, the beast from the east. We had some cold snaps between December and March that winter. The most significant one before that was in 2010. So 2009 and 2010, we had quite severe winters for us. It's nothing compared to what people living in Scandinavia, in much of Central and Eastern Europe, countries like Canada, they're much better geared up dealing with snowy circumstances. We don't have winter tyres, we don't really have all-year tyres. We use summer tyres for driving. I was watching cars sliding about. It's quite amazing. We just don't get enough very cold weather like this. And this we do consider cold weather. It might just be around freezing, -2, 3 Celsius. That counts as cold in London and southeast England. Further north, they're probably more used to it, more geared up. Certainly, you get up to Scotland, they're more the Highlands. I've seen all the snow poles they have on the mountain roads up there. I've got quite a lot of videos from the A93 as it's the highest trunk road in the UK. That's very different from down here in London, where we occasionally get this sort of weather. It's not frequent enough for planning, and we've also probably not got enough resources. Choices made by councils about how to spend the limited money they have. I have seen quite a few gritting lorries. We are getting quite a few of them going up and down the road here. We're just doing as well as we can, given the circumstances. There's going to be some awful situations for some people caught up in snarl-ups on the roads, cancelled or delayed train journeys, aeroplane flights. It's difficult. Probably could learn more from how other countries do it. Whether we do or not depends on the priorities decided by the powers that be. The people at every level, local government, regional, central government, all the levels, decisions are made. It's just the start of the cold weather. There could be a lot more of it in the next few months, so buckle up. If you are going out, be careful, dress warmly and stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.